What if I told you one person with the right AI tools can now do the work of an entire company? In 2025, this is no longer theory. It is already happening, quietly, across startups, agencies, and small businesses. Today, I'm going to show you 7 AI tools that can literally replace full-time job roles and how professionals and business owners are using them to scale faster than ever. Welcome to AI Hustle Lab. For most of business history, growth meant hiring. Today, growth means building the right AI stack. Let's begin. First, ChatGPT. This is no longer just a chatbot. It has become a full business assistant. Companies are replacing administrative assistants, junior analysts, content writers, and even customer support staff with this one tool. You can draft emails, proposals, reports, SOPs, customer replies, marketing plans in minutes. Many solo founders now operate their entire back office using ChatGPT. Second, AI design tools like Midjourney and Leonardo. These tools replace graphic designers and creative teams. You can generate social media creatives, website banners, ad designs, packaging concepts, even product visuals. What once took days and thousands of rupees now takes minutes. Third, AI website builders like Durable and TenWeb. These tools replace web developers and even parts of digital marketing teams. In under 5 minutes, you can launch a complete business website with SEO, lead capture, and analytics. Many new entrepreneurs are launching without ever hiring a developer. Fourth, AI voice agents like Bland AI and Air AI. These replace telecalling teams, sales reps, and customer support executives. They handle inbound support, outbound sales calls, appointment booking, follow-ups, 24 hours a day. No salary, no sick days, no turnover. Fifth, AI analytics platforms like Akio and Peltarion. These replace data analysts and business intelligence consultants. Upload your data and instantly receive forecasts, customer insights, churn predictions, and marketing ROI analysis. Decisions that once required entire teams now happen instantly. Sixth, AI copywriting platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai. These replace copywriters, email marketers, and content strategists. They create ad copy, emails, landing pages, blogs, and social content, all optimized for conversion. Most marketing departments today can be replaced by one professional and the right AI tools. 7th, Notion AI. This replaces operations managers, project coordinators, and knowledge managers. It organizes tasks, builds SOPs, manages projects, captures meeting notes, and becomes your company's brain. Everything your operations team used to manage, now automated. When you combine these tools, here is the new reality of 2025. One skilled professional with the right AI stack can now replace entire departments. This is why small teams are now competing with large corporations. And this is why professionals who learn these tools are becoming extremely valuable. If you are a professional or business owner and you are not building your AI stack, your competitors already are. Subscribe to AI Hustle Lab for practical AI systems that actually grow businesses. Comment AI if you want me to break down my personal AI business setup. And share this with someone who still thinks AI is just a chatbot. I'll see you in the next video.